Hello Parakus, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. This is the second video of the formula series. In the first video, I discussed all the formulae, and this is the second video in which we are going to practice formula number 1 in little more detail. The algebraic formula number 1 is valid for multiplication of such expression in which the first term of both the expression is same and the second term of both the expression is different. What does it mean? Let's see. These are the two different expressions which are basically multiplied to each other, and if you see here, their first term is same and the second term of both these expressions is different. So this formula can be valid for it. But before giving you a shortcut to solve such kind of expression in just one line, let's first see how we do it in the longer way. So the conventional way of doing multiplication of such kind of expression is to split the 1 and multiply it with the next expression. So if you have any problem, you can watch my video on it. X squared plus xb plus xa plus ab. So this is how we do it. But what if I tell you a short way of solving such kind of expression? So let's see that. So if you are confronted with such kind of expressions and you want to multiply it faster, then square the first term take the sum of the second term times the first term and take the product of the second term. So this is basically the formula. Now let's see how we can apply it. So now it's practice time. Let's first jot down the formula here. So we have x plus a, x plus b. If we have such kind of scenario, then we square the first term, we add the second terms of both the expression times the first term, and we take the product. So this is how we're going to solve. Okay, now let's see different problems and try to solve them in a shorter way by using the formula. So here, if you see it according to the formula, so this is x plus a, so this is a, and this is x plus b, so this is b. So the first a is equals to 5 and b equals to 2. So here we just have to put the values. So squaring the first term, x squared, plus adding the second terms, 5 plus 2 times the first term, plus taking the product of both the terms. Simplifying it, 7x plus 5 into 2 is 10. So here we go. Now let's solve this one. Here we have the first term is p, which is same in both the expressions. The second term is different in both the expressions, so we can apply this formula. So this is a here and this is b here. So the shorter way of solving it is squaring the first term, adding the second terms, so 2q plus 3q times the first term, then taking the product of the second term of both the expressions. So let's simplify. P square plus 5q, p plus 3 into 2 is 6, q squared. Now let's try to do this one. Here we have first term similar and the second term is different in both of them. So here this is a and b. but b is along with the minus sign. Since formula has plus in it, so 6b sign is minus. Squaring the first term, adding a and b, 5b plus 6b times a plus 5b minus 6b, sorry here it's minus 5b minus 6b, so a squared plus minus b a plus minus is minus 30b squared. A squared minus ab minus 30b squared. So this is our answer. So I hope you would find this formula easy to apply. So have a happy learning.